What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we're doing something a little fun today. We got cameraman Bliss on here and we're gonna run a PACER test. So it's sunny out here, we got a beautiful field to run on, practicing social distancing of course. And if you don't know what the PACER is a 20-meter shuffle run back and forth. They call it different things in different places, but schools, middle schools and high schools in the US use it to prove fitness. So we're gonna see how far we can get. I've ran like 6 runs since I've been back and I'm totally out of shape, so this will be fun to kind of see where my fitness is at, you know, just doing something random, and hope you enjoy. So we are measuring out about 65 feet, and which is 20 meters, and we're also using the yard markers on the sideline, using shoes as our markers, and 21.8 yards is about 20 meters. At least Google says so, so ready to go.
Capacity test that progressively gets more difficult as it continues. The 20-meter PACER test will begin in 30 seconds. Line up at the start. The running speed starts slowly, but gets faster each minute after you hear this signal. A single lap should be completed each time you hear this sound. Remember to run in a straight line, and run as long as possible. The second time you fail to complete a lap before the sound, your test is over. The test will begin on the word start. On your mark, get ready, start. One. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10.
Hey guys, hope you're enjoying the video here. I know it can get kind of redundant to watch me run back and forth so many times, so I wanted to check in and just say a couple things about why I'm doing this and what my thought process is here. So first off, it's to have fun and just kind of keep the training fresh as I get back into it. I think that's really important in life and in training. And I haven't done this for maybe 6 years or something, maybe not since my sophomore year in high school, so I kind of wanted to just see what I could get. I think I never got over 75 or something, so I just kind of wanted to see where I was at and maybe come back to this in three months after a good training block and see how I could improve. And anyway, I'll check back in a little bit later, and I hope you guys are enjoying.
18. 19. 20. 29. 30. 31. 32. End of level 4.
Hey again. So I don't know if it looks like it, but I'm really having a lot of fun with this right now. Like I said, I haven't, until 2 weeks ago, I hadn't ran for 8 weeks or so, so I was really struggling with that, and I just wanted to say how grateful I am to be running again and just being able to mess around and do some stuff like this that isn't even really related or in any way specific to the training I'm planning on doing in the future, but it's just super fun to be able to come out and have a good time with with doing just random things and in the sport of running. So I hope you're enjoying, because I know I am.
39, 40, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70.
So it's a little earlier than I thought it'd be, but I'm really starting to hurt right now. I thought I wouldn't start to hurt until around, you know, at least 75 or 80, but, you know, I guess this is kind of exposing some of my fitness flaws, so can't be too mad about that, you know? Again, I'm still having a lot of fun with it. I don't think I've hurt aerobically like this for, like I said, maybe 2 months, so having a lot of fun here, but we're coming up on the part where I start to struggle, so I'm not going to spoil anything for you, but I'll let it run through the rest of the clip without speeding it up. I'll see you guys at the end.
77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, end of level 9, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88,
Well, that's a wrap, baby.
91.
Maybe we'll come back to this in 3 months and see where I am. I'll have to check the footage back, see exactly where I stopped, but had a great time. See if you guys can do this too. I want to see you guys get out there and comment below if you got it done or not. Yeah, tell me what your score was. I'll leave the link for the video in the description below. And I'm gonna call that there today, so feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. And until next time, stay healthy, stay chill. Cheers, friends. I'll see you next time. Cool.